Hello guys, welcome in this new video. Do you know that AnyTone, for any owner of this AnyTone terminal, the AT-D878UVII+, AnyTone just released a new firmware, the version 3.02N, which is 100% compatible with Motorola Enhanced Privacy RC4. So, to be clear, with this new firmware, you will be able to communicate, to hear and to listen and to talk with other users that use Motorola Enhanced Privacy RC4. What is new? I will talk you about this new feature in this video just now, but before, credits. Okay, let's analyze the changelog file provided with the new firmware. As we can see, the latest version 3.02, the N is missing, which was released on April 2023. The main interesting features is add the ARC4 encryption, which is compatible with Motorola radio. So there is a new menu in the CPS. I will show this menu on the next slide, and this new menu has been made. It's a new menu where you can enter directly your encryption key. This is available only with this new version and probably the next version that will be released on the future. If you open the CPS, custom programming software, the new menu is here, ARC4 encryption code, and you will find here there is a list, and you can enter up to 255 encryption key. Here, each key has its own key ID. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the key ID. You can choose any key ID you want within the range 1 to 255, and after having entered your encryption key, you have to manually set the right key to use here on the menu, on the channel programming menu. Here, select extend encryption. You just have to select ARC4 and ARC4 encryption code. Select the key. For example, here the key ID could be 1, 2, 3, or 4. Please note, on the ARC4 version, you are not able to use multiple key encrypt by selecting a random key from the list. It's not compatible. This value and random key, multiple key decrypt and random key encrypt, this feature only works when you select AES 256. I hope in the future this new feature will be released. Currently, it's not the case. So currently, you can only use one key when you are talking and the same key to decode data. If another user uses another key with another key ID, a different key, you are not able to decode it properly because the multiple key decrypt doesn't work. So the new functionality, you can have up to 256. Oh, sorry, it's not 200. It's 255 different encryption key, and it does not support the multi-key encrypt and decrypt. Currently, this feature is only available with AES 256 bits. If you follow me on this channel, you probably know that I'm a hacker. I love hacking system. I love know how encryption are made. I made some tests by using this new feature on my AnyTone terminal, and I identify a vulnerability. This is the first IV is always the same. It is identical. I will show you. You can observe by yourself. If you try DSD, for example, you can use my DSD, my own DSD, available on GitHub. I will make a link below the video, and you will see that the IV used here on the PI header is always the same, 0x12345678. This is always the same. This is exactly the same if you used ARC4 encryption AnyTone or the AS256. This phenomenon is exactly the same. It depends, apparently. AnyTone implements this encryption algorithm, with always the same IV when a voice transmission starts. So this is always this IV. Don't hesitate to make your own test by using DSD. If you want to know better and to learn deeper about the encryption, the ARC4 encryption, I have an online training available, but it is a paid feature. I will place a link below this video. If you want to subscribe it, don't hesitate. But it is a paid feature, and you will be able to understand everything about this encryption, this ARC4 encryption. What are the main differences between the PI header sent by an AnyTone terminal and the PI header sent by Motorola or a DMRA like Itera product? First difference, the algorithm ID. AnyTone send 0x01 and Motorola 0x21. I don't know if see if the algorithm ID is coded on 1 byte, 8-bit, or if it's coded only on 4 bits, 1/2 byte. I don't know. In the case it is 1/2 byte, the 1 is the same, and the 0 here should not be taken into account, and here the 2 should not be taken into account. But I don't know. This is just a difference that I observe. So I place this difference here. Second difference, the IV. The PI header AnyTone, if you use RC4 or AS256, this is always the same, 0x12345678. And when you use Motorola, Itera, or any DMRA compatible terminal, the IV is a random value. And next, it's not a difference. Next things is the FID, MFID, the manufacturer feature set ID, which is the manufacturer ID. This is exactly the same, 0x10 and 0x10. When using Motorola, when using Itera, when using a DMRA product, or when using AnyTone by encoding RC4 or AS256, the feature set ID is always the same, 0x10. We are now at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Just in conclusion, just by the RC4 AnyTone encryption is totally compatible with Motorola Enhanced Privacy, but its implementation based on IV known in advance. The first IV is always the same, so the next IVs generated will be known. Makes this encryption less secure than others. If you use Motorola, the implementation of the algorithm is better made in terms of cryptography analysis. And if you use AnyTone, you must know that the IV is known. IVs are known by advance, so it is less secure than others brands, others manufacturer. But you can use it. It's totally compatible. Now we are at the end of this video. The final word. Just thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to have a look on my online training if you want to subscribe it, and don't hesitate to have a look on my others website, and stay connected, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.